Everyone, welcome to the Nigeria Examination System YouTube channel. This is a matter of urgency. This information is directed to all secondary school principals, proprietors, and proprietresses, as well as CBT operators who have NECO centers. Note, this is a national memo coming from the NECO head office in Minna, Niger State. In line with the Federal Ministry of Education's reform program towards the successful conduct of examinations, you are hereby directed to remind all principals and proprietors to complete and forward, as a matter of urgency, the required information about their schools as previously requested. The information to be submitted includes the center address, the center town, and the local government area. You are required to update all this information. You will also update the custodian information, which includes the contact name, contact phone number, and the official email address of the school. These pieces of information are very important. There will also be an option where you must indicate whether you have a NECO CBT center or not. Remember that NECO and WAEC are transitioning to CBT examinations, so they are gathering information to identify available CBT centers that will be used for upcoming examinations. Now, we proceed to the website services.neco.gov.ng. Add /# and /again, then school_update. This link will also be available in the description of this video. Once you open the website, this is the interface you will see. Insert the center number, which is a 7-digit number. Ensure you input the correct 7-digit center registration number. Now we are in the school profile dashboard. We need to fill in all the necessary details. First, select the type of school, whether private or public. Next, indicate if you have a CBT facility center and pick the correct answer. If you select yes, you will be asked to state the number of systems available. These may include laptops or desktops. Make sure you provide accurate information. It has been noted that some states are already considering purchasing large numbers of laptops for schools to prepare for CBT examinations. For the location section, please note that the address is not the town name. You must provide a unique address, including the street name and an identifiable location. Then select the local government and the town. The final section is the school's contact information. Ensure the school creates an accessible email address, not just any email, but one that can be easily accessed when needed. Note, this form is not validated to throw an error if incorrect information is entered. If wrong details are filled in, the system may not notify you. Therefore, fill in the information carefully and make sure all details entered are correct. This information is very important and should be shared with the appropriate persons. The last time I checked, only about 6,000 to 7,000 centers had their email addresses and phone numbers updated on the portal. Remember that a Nigerian phone number must be 11 digits. If you have any questions about this upload process, assistance will be available in the comment section. And if you are unable to fill it yourself, you can send us on WhatsApp your center number and the required information, and we will help you complete it.